Hi, I'm David Coram. As of October 2019, we're asking our patients to sign a binding arbitration agreement. I'd like to take a moment to explain what this is and why we're adding this to Mariana's Eye Institute. Medical malpractice cases are of rising concern for doctors in the United States and in the CNMI. In the United States, doctors have medical malpractice insurance. However, medical malpractice insurance has not been available in the CNMI. This exposes our doctors and staff to very high risk. In fact, we're having difficulty recruiting and keeping doctors because of this risk. Even with medical malpractice insurance, many doctors' offices and major health plans in the United States are asking their patients to agree to binding arbitration as a way to solve disputes. What is binding arbitration? With binding arbitration, you still have the right to get a monetary award for a medical malpractice claim. Each party can still hire an attorney, but binding arbitration means that a panel of experts decides on disputes instead of a jury. With binding arbitration, both parties give up their right to a jury trial. You are not giving up your right to seek compensation for medical malpractice or other claims. In addition to the binding arbitration agreement that you sign, there's also another document you may wish to review, the MEI binding arbitration process. This document outlines the detailed procedures of the binding arbitration that you're agreeing to. These procedures were adapted from the Guam arbitration procedures. We're asking all our patients to agree to binding arbitration so that we can continue giving care to you and to the people of the CNMI. It's important that you take the time to review the agreement carefully before you sign it, because it is a legal contract. It's also important for you to know that you don't have to sign it. If you don't want to sign it, we can help you get eye care elsewhere, and we will transfer your records to the eye clinic of your choice in the CNMI or Guam. While we all hope that there will never be any disputes between us, we feel that binding arbitration is a fair and less expensive way to solve disputes that might arise. And importantly, it will help us to recruit and keep doctors to serve you and your family for years to come.